All right, so we got four different kinds of poppets. We got your basic TNT poppets that you can find at any store. I actually picked these up at Walmart. Um, you got these other pops. Got these at the Native Reservation, as well as these camel crackers from Great Grizzly, and the Monster Pops. So I'll be doing a comparison here, see which poppet sounds louder. Let's go try these out. First off, we got the TNT poppets that I picked up from Walmart. Let's try that out. Might be a little bit annoying because the damn landscaper's out, cutting the neighbor's yard and shit. That was that. That was the poppet. So let's go with the pop. Bam. That was a bit louder. Let's try the camel cracker from Great Grizzly. That was loud, as you can see. Let's try the Monster Pop. Try it one more time. Okay, that was a fail. Let's grab another one. Let me cut this out real. Just grabbed another one. Dang, those things really suck. Picked up like 3 of those boxes and shit. No, not even 3. I picked up like maybe 10. Alright. One more time. That was it, guys. Let me know which one was the loudest, or which one you thought was the loudest, and which one was the weakest, and which one was your favorite. Let's go back over here. Yep. Let us know. Let me know.